adventurers of the sea. Observing them in their natural habitat is a reminder of the beauty and wonder of the natural world. Their presence enriches our coastal ecosystems, and their playful antics bring joy to all who witness them. Sadly, our oceans are facing many threats. Pollution, habitat loss, and climate change cast a shadow over these playful creatures. Their once abundant food sources are dwindling. Their breeding grounds are shrinking. Discarded fishing nets entangle these animals, causing injury and death. Coastal development encroaches on their vital breeding and resting areas. These are all challenges that we must urgently overcome. Despite these challenges, there is hope. The dawn of a new day brings with it the promise of change and renewal. As the sun rises over the ocean, it symbolizes the beginning of a brighter future. Sea lions are resilient. They are fighters. These magnificent creatures have adapted to survive in harsh conditions, showcasing their strength and determination. Watching them play and swim reminds us of their incredible spirit. Conservation efforts are making a difference. Scientists and researchers are working tirelessly to understand and protect these animals. Their dedication and hard work are crucial in ensuring the survival of sea lions. Through their studies, they gather vital information that helps in creating effective conservation strategies. We see inspiring stories of rescue and rehabilitation. Teams of rescuers work around the clock to save stranded or injured sea lions. Their efforts are a testament to human compassion and the will to make a positive impact. Sea lions, once stranded or injured, are being nursed back to health and returned to the ocean. Watching them return to their natural habitat is a powerful reminder of the impact of our collective efforts. Every effort, no matter how small, contributes to their survival. From beach cleanups to planting coastal vegetation, community involvement plays a crucial role. Together, we can make a difference and ensure a future where sea lions thrive. The future of California sea lions, and indeed all marine life, rests in our hands. These majestic creatures depend on us to protect their habitat and ensure their survival. We must reduce our impact on the ocean. Every piece of plastic we remove, every bit of waste we recycle makes a difference. Our small actions collectively create a massive impact. We must reduce pollution and combat climate change. Support sustainable seafood choices. Minimize your carbon footprint. By choosing renewable energy sources and making eco-friendly decisions, we can help preserve the ocean's health. Let's be the generation that turns the tide for these magnificent creatures. Our actions today will shape the world of tomorrow. Together, we can create a thriving environment for all marine life. The time to act is now. Our ocean, our responsibility. Join the movement to protect and preserve our oceans for future generations. Every effort counts. As we reflect on our shared responsibility to protect our oceans, it's important to remember that every small effort counts. From reducing plastic waste to supporting conservation initiatives, we all have a role to play in preserving the beauty and biodiversity of our marine ecosystems. Gap 3S. It's not just about the future of sea lions or other marine creatures. It's about the health of our planet. By making conscious choices and advocating for change, we can ensure that our oceans remain vibrant and teeming with life for generations to come. Gap 3S. This is Stella signing off for today. See you in the next video. Wishing you a wonderful December. Stay tuned and keep exploring. Gap 3S. Remember, every action, no matter how small, contributes to the greater good. Let's continue to work together to make a difference. Our ocean, our responsibility. Gap 3S. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Together, we can create a wave of change.